It was so cold and snowy outside, but it was definitely warm and cozy inside of the house. So cooking Saturday morning breakfast isn't anything different out of the norm for me, but today was a little bit different because my parents were visiting. We are in the middle of a snowstorm and their HVAC system went out and they can't get anyone to come and repair it until next week. So of course, Mom and Dad came to stay with us over the weekend, and we are having such a wonderful time hosting my parents. My parents and I stay in the same city, so them staying overnight doesn't happen. So I am super excited about the opportunity to host my parents for the weekend. And so I had to make sure that I made breakfast extra special, cooking items both my mom and my dad love, along with the very favorites of my family. So you'll see a different collection of different items because I wanted to make sure that everyone had what they wanted and what they needed as we continue to enjoy each other and watching the beautiful snowfall. And as always, continue to have a great day on purpose and with purpose. Talk to you later, friends. Bye-bye.